You filming me?
What the fuck are you filming me?
You filming me?
Get out my fucking video.
Yeah?
Get out my video.
You stealing my
Get out
shot?
my fucking video, mate. Trying to drink my tea, and these guys just want to leave already.
That way. Yes, Thomas, keep it going.
Mate, if I'm gonna die, it's gonna be on my own terms, in the face of my children.
I'm not sure about that noise.
Jimmy, are you looking at this one?
Well, yeah.
Oh no, that one, boys. That one.
Just got in my shot. Just walked right in my fucking shot. Alright. Are we getting some trekking now? Yeah, man. Get trekking. Do some climbing. Just trek.
Look at that. That's a nice rock, lads.
Alright. Hello.
You're gonna reverse out. Go, reverse out. Oh! No, don't twist, don't twist.
Mate, well, I want to go there.
That's where.
Peak over there.
That's where we're camping.
That's where I'm going. Oh God. Oh God, lads. You don't understand how moist my pan just got.
This crafty hobbit is taking the pretzels. He's taking the pretzels.
That's karma in the purest form, mate. Mate, I'm not being funny, but this looks like the route that sheep take.
It is.
Oh, nice one, Joe.
Enjoying yourself?
Loving life, mate.
Loving life. What's up, bro? How's the coffee? Delish. Nice. Rick's got an orange.
You know what? Just for the fucking shits and gigs, I'm gonna attempt it. We're already halfway through the fucking hill, okay? We're already fucked up. Let's just accept the fuck up. Let's just get it over and done with, okay?
I found a path. That's definitely a path. Yeah, we're on a path. I think this is going to get thick. I think we should try and head down.
I was gonna say, I found a path.
Is the path it?
Right.
Found another path. He's really good at this. And we didn't even bring the map.
Look at this, mate. Pick it up, because like if I pick it up, I won't fucking get it again.
What? This. What was on that? It's very interesting.
What is that?
Yeah, the coloured thing. Is that a lie? That's a lie.
No, no. I don't think you're gonna sing.
Is the sharks in here?
But I did tell you that this was a swamp. Twice.
So did I. Joe was like, I would go to work for the fucking cave. Next thing I know, I'm halfway through a fucking mountain.
No,
Okay?
the cave.
This way, Rick.
Yeah, that way, Rick. They should have listened to me. Kind of feel like I'm going to need to go and save them in a minute.
It's a fucking disaster, lads. It's a fucking disaster.
He is not wrong.
We fucked.
Where?
Mate. We fucked up right here, mate.
Where's
We're
no?
literally on a fucking on an island. I wish you brought your fucking chain up. Oh, chainsaw. What? Oh, look, there's a walking stick.
We're alive.
That is a good stick.
But you know what I said? Something really wants me to get up that mountain. And we got up the mountain and we found this place. That's the camping spot, mate.
Hey, big boy, where are we going?
Here, look at this.
Is that a pad for the night? What's he doing? You scare me when you go off like this.
I'm swinging too hard, guys.
I don't know when. Joe will have to. Joe's looking after you. It's madness. There is no swimming.
You're right over there, mate. You're right over there, nigga boy. Keep him warm.
That's good.
No, just like theoretically, like, what do you do?
That's where we're going.
What are you doing? I just let people walk all over you.
Love you too. No, you're breathtaking.
Hey Joseph.
We should camp on that.
But first, we're going to get down to that house, through the trees, to the village, back up this way, through that forest, back up this way, and up to there.
What about that cloud? That looks like a nice place to camp. Baby cow, going mad in a field. Baby girl, you make me feel so real. Baby girl. Yeah, about to find out.
There you go. Thomas, do you know what that is?
What, have I been there?
It's a church.
What, so we've been there, yeah?
Yeah, it's a little
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. Okay,
Where have we been?
we've been there.
We've been there.
And now we're here.
Now we go home.